Today I would like to introduce the brand of Unestech 2.5 SATA HDD mobile rack. It is made of strong and durable aluminum alloy. Good heat dissipation and strong radiation protection beautify the visual effects of the product. Supports a 7 to 9.5 mm high hard disk, tool-free internal hard drive extraction box design. Load the hard drive into the computer case. Attach it to the chassis with 4 screws. The following is the process of connecting the power cable. It is equipped with a small 4-pin power cord, as well as signal cables. The hard disk supports hot swappable plug-and-play LED hard drive indicator to monitor the real-time status of the hard drive.
Why choose our products?
Because it's very suitable for industrial computers, servers, computer manufacturers, and vehicle traffic systems. This is the introduction and installation process of this product. Watch for Unestech.